Hello, we are Khoa and Musa from Do3Dimension. At the mind behind a dynamic design and manufacturing company, our passion lies in enlightening children between the ages of 6 to 15 about the wonders of technology through 3D design and printing. In the fall of 23, following our first I2B program, we achieved some exciting milestones. First, we integrated virtual reality into our curriculum for 3D modeling and sculpting. Imagine students sculpting a yellow jacket in VR, then comparing it with the design on a computer. The experience bridged imagination with reality. One of our standout projects involves students creating molds and using non-hazardous chemical to produce squishy objects. This project not only demonstrated the diverse applications of 3D printing, but also showcased its relevance in real-world scenarios. Last but not least, we're also working with Gwinnett Technical College and Tucker High School via Microsoft Teams program. We embark on an enlightening journey, teaching high school students the essentials of transforming an idea into a finished product. Looking ahead to 24, our vision is to expand these learning horizons. We are planning a comprehensive summer camp that combines art and science projects, fostering a collaborative and explorative environment for students. We'll be stepping deeper into the realm of AI, teaching students to harness AI in image generation, and then bring these images to life through 3D printing. Additionally, we will introduce students to CAD software, guiding them to the creation of mechanical parts with precise measurement, simulating the design of the artisan keycaps for mechanical keyboards. Plus, a class teaching about 3D scanning. Our journey at the 3Dimension is more than just about teaching skills. It's about opening doors to the future, lighting paths for careers that our students have yet to imagine.